What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you saw in the title, for today's video I'm going to be talking about the best Roth IRA investments that you can invest in as a beginner. If you guys are new here my name is Denzel. I'm currently a finance sophomore college student, managing my way into learning more about financial freedom. I am a first generation college student, so I'm currently learning everything by myself. So if you guys want to follow me on this journey, don't forget to subscribe. Most people think open up a Roth IRA is enough, but what actually matters is what you invest in it. If your money is just sitting there, you're missing out on thousands of dollars of tax-free growth over time. In this video, I'm going to break down the best Roth IRA's investments for beginners, exactly what I recommend, and even a small portfolio that you can copy. When I first opened up my Roth IRA, I honestly thought I was done. I put money in it and I just left it there. No investing, no growth, nothing. And a lot of people are doing the same thing right now without even realizing it. So if you're opening up a Roth IRA or you're thinking about it, this video is going to help you save lots of money over time. Quick breakdown, super simple. A Roth IRA is not an investment, it is just an account. Think of it like a container. You put money inside and then you have to select what to invest in. The reason people love Roth IRAs is because your money grows tax-free and you don't pay taxes when you take it out when you retire. So because it's tax-free, you want investments that grow a lot over time. The biggest mistakes people make is leaving their money in cash. If your Roth IRA says something like core position or settlement fund, that's basically just cash. Cash doesn't grow like investments do. So step one is always invest your money. First, and honestly the best way to start, is an SP 500 ETF. This tracks the 500 top companies in the US. So when you invest in it, you're automatically investing in Amazon, Apple, all that stuff all in one. Some popular ones are VOO and SPY, which is what I personally like to invest in. It is so powerful because it's simple, it's diverse, and it has strong long-term growth. If you're a beginner, you can literally just invest in this and you're already ahead of a bunch of people. If you only remember one thing for this video, make it this. Next is a total market ETF. Instead of just top 500 companies, this invests in basically the entire US stock market. A popular one is VTI. This gives you exposure to big companies, medium companies, and also small companies. So it's even more diversified. Some people choose this instead of the SP 500. And honestly, I would say you can't go wrong with either or. Now, if you want to be a little more advanced, you can also add an international ETF. This invests in companies outside of the US. One example is the VXUS. I feel like this matters because if the US market is down right now, you still have companies outside of the US that are still growing your money. I would say you don't need this, but it's also a smart way to diversify your portfolio. The last one I recommend is growth ETFs. These focus in high growth companies like tech. Some examples are QQM and BUG. These can grow faster, but they're also more volatile. They go up more, but they can also go down more. This is good if you're young, if you can handle some risk, and if you want higher potential returns. Now let's put all of this together. If you're a beginner, here's a simple portfolio example. You can do 70% in SP 500 like VOOO. You can do 20% international like VXUS. And you can do 10% in growth like QQQM. Or even simpler, you can just do 100% SP 500, which is what I do. Yes, it's that simple. You don't need 10 different investments. Simple wins long term, in my opinion. The real key to a Roth IRA is not what you invest in. I would say it's more like consistency. You want to invest regularly, stay consistent, and you should not be panicking when the market slows down, because the market will go up and down, but over time it usually trends up. I currently am investing my Roth IRA with Fidelity. They're honestly really good. I would say I haven't really tried anything else, but let me know down below what you guys invest in. I do have a lot of friends that use Vanguard and they love it. Let me know down below. If you start investing early, even with small amounts, you can seriously build some wealth by the time you retire. So don't overcomplicate it. Stay simple, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. If this helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below. I have a lot of money videos planned for you guys that I know you guys will enjoy and get some knowledge from. Also follow me on TikTok at Dance Daily. I post a lot of side content on there, a lot of money help, a lot of relatable content, a lot of lifestyle content. Just go ahead and give me a follow. You will not regret it. I will see you guys on my next video. Have a lovely rest of your day.